Right guys, this is part 3. This is what I've got up to so far. Got sides on. I've welded this framework up to the bottoms of these, but we're also still able to unbolt from there and there. Same there. And on the inside, just there is a bolt, and that section will come off, which will allow you to take these sides off. These top rails I've got on now, just welded there. I'm going to neaten this up, just grind it back and sand it all down. I've also got this, the Y-axis done. That's just gentle pushing with the finger. So that's the setup so far. At the minute I'm just sorting out for the mounts to get the motors mounted, because I'm going to use a chain system, but obviously a bigger chain than this. So there's going to be a chain from one side to the other. I'm going to try that out with a sprocket on there. I've seen a few and they look good, so I'll try that method. It'll be cheaper than the leader screws, and I don't think you'll have to worry too much about backlash with it being on a chain. So yeah, that's what we're up to so far. All done, all unboltable. Unbolt the full lot down, comes into sections. Lovely. Nice movement on it. Pushes really easy. So we're up to so far. So then part 4 is going to be the drive system, getting these moving, and the Z-axes, which I'll be putting on the front of this. I'll be putting on this one. I'll be mounting some more steel here and maybe here to have some bars, which will have the route that runs up and down on that. But yeah, that's it.